Being a guest at Thomas Beach Vacations often turns into a tradition. Our highly trained guest services team members go above and beyond to make sure that you have a relaxing, worry-free vacation. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Listen to what one of our guests has to say.
My family and I come down to the coast every year, and this year we decided to go with Thomas Beach Vacations. When we arrived down here, we received a text stating that we could check in. We walked in and met their friendly staff and received a complimentary goodie bag with all kinds of things that we would need throughout the week. When we walked into our vacation home, we could not believe how clean it was. So we just thought that was a great experience with Thomas Beach Vacations, and we will definitely use them again.
It's always great to hear a satisfied guest tell in their own words the experience at Thomas Beach Vacations. It's a personal experience at Thomas. Our guest services representatives are not in a huge call center. Some have been here for many years and know the guests by first name. How many rental companies do you know that have guests who bring the reservation as flowers? And this is simply one indication of how hard they work from the time your guest books a reservation till the end of their vacation. Our 24/7 guest services team helps book your property by phone or online, and will even text or call your guests when the accommodations are cleaned and ready for check-in, and even offers secure after-hour access for check-in. Now, upon check-in, the guests are provided with a goodie bag and a thank you card in each property with space for feedback. We want to ensure that your guests have an outstanding experience and will come back and visit again and again. And they do.